Hey everybody, it's Game Master here.
You're not game. No, it's a game master.
Oh, and did I forget to mention right now, Parker? I'm recording.
You are?
Yep.
Yay. Oopsies.
Hey, why don't you introduce yourself, Parker?
John, remember?
Yeah, but okay. Why don't you introduce yourself, John? If you ever been in one of my
Arthur's
videos.
not online.
What?
Arthur's not online.
No, I know. No, I changed my YouTube name to Game Master 469.
Oh, I know.
Hey everybody.
I can't believe you're not using Super Tune 1021 anymore.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss that. Because you had a funny video of your interview. It's hilarious.
I know. I wish I never deleted that video. I will do another interview with him soon. And it will be funny.
Oh, interview me also, please.
Oh, Provoing!
Like, interview Game Master 468 and Video Maker 283.
Oh, so you want to have it? So you want me to interview both of you?
Yeah.
How's that even gonna be possible?
It's possible.
Can you explain how it's gonna be possible?
I don't know. Okay. Oh, so.
Hey, can you get out of the battle, please? Why are you in a Grand Hanner battle?
I don't know.
Gland haters are stupid. Ha ha ha.
Enemy bad. So bad. So bad.
Seriously, dude, you still have level 1 gags? Oh my goodness.
I know, right? Good God. What? Okay. Oh, here, I'll get
Hey, but why aren't you Skyping through your computer?
Okay. Me.
Oh man, I don't know why I am not on good old on Dr. Bebop right now. I could have trained you really good with that tune. You know my tune, Dr. Bebop. He's 51 left.
I know.
How do you know? How do you know?
I've seen him before. I've seen him.
When was that last? I forget.
We survived.
Prof Owen's requesting me. I think.
Yes.
What?
Migo playground. Migo thingy. Okay. That's where you start to count.
I'm asking if you can join the Tomb Rangers.
Sure, I'll join.
I'm asking him right now. What? Now, what's with all these evasions in Nutty River?
It's supposed to because it's always full. It's supposed to be full. It's a best.
Oh, my boss says wait. He says wait. He's still. I think he's still racing. There's ambulance chasers everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Where? What?
These cogs are strong.
That's why.
I know.
I need bloodsuckers. Go away, ambulance chasers.
Me need 4 Silbots.
Me need 6 bloodsuckers.
Okay, why did you just copy me?
I said a different thing, John. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Why did you just say that?
Because I felt like it. Well, if you're added to the Toon Rangers, then let me explain some rules.
Okay.
In the Toon Rangers, you're supposed to show up to every meeting. I mean,
Angry doggy.
what do you mean? What? Let me see.
Oh, I found a hacker.
What?
He's trying to just.
How could they be a hacker in Netty River? Hackers
It's
can.
possible. It's possible. But it's not Trap Cat.
Oh, thank goodness, because I was gonna kill him. Oh yeah, since I'm still recording, watch out for Trap Cat, because he is bad to the bone. Why don't you say what we need, Jason?
We need a plan.
Yes, we need a plan. Oh shit.
And I have one. That is, this plan has 3 parts. We've done with 2. The last one, the problem is we need 5 viewers, but now we have 4. We just need John.
John's right there.
Oh.
I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to tell him what's my plan?
Okay.
Okay, so you know that. So we have to pick out two of us.
Okay, guys, let's
that
end
has
this
to-
off. So that's it for this video, and see you guys next time. That was end of John. We're ending the video off. So
Done, yeah.
Try me, Video Maker 283.
yeah, that was Video Maker
Or if you
2.
find me on Toontown, then I'll make a video about this.
Yes, and you can also find me on Toontown as well. And I'm actually on right now. So if you want to meet me right now, then come on.
Me too. I'm on also.
Yes, and so is John right now. So, and he is Parker, and I am Dusty. Oh, and some dumb mouse named Mark wants to join Team Trap. Dumb mouse.